Mastering the art of adjective placement with action verbs. Hello, English learners around the globe. Today we are going to explore an essential aspect of English grammar: adjective placement with action verbs. As you know, adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, making our language more interesting and expressive. But where exactly do they go in a sentence? Let's dive in and find out. Before we jump into adjectives, it's crucial to have a firm grasp on what action verbs are. Action verbs are words that represent an action. This can include physical actions like run or jump, but also mental actions like think or imagine. For example, in the sentence, Sally reads a book, reads is the action verb. In a basic English sentence, adjectives generally go directly before the noun they are modifying. For instance, she has a red car, where red is an adjective modifying car. But what happens when we have an action verb in the sentence? When we use action verbs, the adjective placement is a bit different. Adjectives are placed after the action verb. For example, in the sentence, the soup smells good, good is the adjective describing the soup, and smells is the action verb. However, there are exceptions to this rule. When the action verb is followed by a noun, the adjective goes before the noun, not after the verb. For example, he wrote a long letter, where long is the adjective that describes the letter, and wrote is the action verb. Understanding the placement of adjectives with action verbs is crucial for mastering English grammar. Remember, generally, adjectives are placed after action verbs, except when the verb is followed by a noun. I hope this video helped clarify the concept of adjective placement with action verbs for you. Keep practicing, and don't forget that even native English speakers make mistakes. It's all part of the learning journey. Happy learning, everyone!